Runny noses, nasty aches and pains. It's cold season again.
Hi, I'm Dr. Marc Berthiaume with some important information from Health Canada about over-the-counter cough and cold medicines for children. After carefully assessing the use of these medicines, Health Canada has decided they should not be labeled for use in children under the age of 6. That includes orally taken, over-the-counter cough and cold products that contain certain antihistamines to treat sneezing and runny nose, anti-cough medications called antitussives, expectorants that loosen mucus, and decongestants. A complete list of the ingredients is available on the Health Canada website. Labels of these medicines will be updated to reflect the change. The relabeling of these medicines will not be completed until fall 2009. You may still find products on store shelves and in your homes with directions for use in children under 6, as well as older children and adults. Despite what the current labeling says, parents and caregivers should consult a pharmacist or other healthcare practitioner for this cough and cold season when buying or using these medicines. They are only to be used in children over 6 years old.
More information is available on the Health Canada website or call our toll-free hotline at 1-866-558-2946.